welcome to our vlog! So ayun guys, matagal na walang upload, matagal na wala kaming vlog, and since this is our first time na lalabas as a family of 3, meron na si baby. Dati kasi wala pa siya, nagbablog na ako, and napag-isip-isip namin na i-vlog and i-keep yung memories na mga ganto. Kaya ayan, samahan nyo kami guys sa first trip namin. Ano kasi guys, first time din namin lalabas na kaming tatlo lang. So, ayan. Say hi! Say hi! So, this is Scully, our first baby! Say hi! Say hi to the vlog! Hi! Why are you crying? Oh, show them! Close open! Close open! Close open! Oh, where's Daddy? We're waiting for Daddy. Bumili si Daddy niya guys na shampoo ni Zeus, panglinis ng bottles, and milk.
Where are your ears?
So, ayan guys, nandito na si Daddy and alis na din kami. Baka dito kami sa may Tiplex dadaan para at least mas mabilis na. Lumipat na kami dito sa likod guys para at least mas makagalaw ng maayos si Balong. Ayan, nanonood siya ngayon dito sa phone ni Mommy. Say hi to Tita Apple. Tita Apple. Tita JV. Oh. Say hi to them. Hello. Hello. Let's go to Baguio na. Again. Let's go to Baguio again. Yeah. Mama. Dumaan kami ngayon dito guys sa Boss Coffee Rosales. And nag-drive-thru lang kami para at least may drinks si Daddy na the drive. Coffee. Malapit na kaming Baguio guys, and si Zeus tulog pa din siya hanggang ngayon. Diba? Ganito siya pag bumabiyahe kami guys. Mas nakakatulog siya ng matagal. Gigising siya, nandun na kami mamaya. O diba? Hindi niya naramdaman yung biyahe. Sanay na siyang bumiyahe. We're here na in Baguio. Let's go! Dito na kami guys sa Mega Tower 7. So kakagising lang din ni Zeus. As in, from Tiplex hanggang dito sa Baguio. Tsaka pa lang siya nagising. Yay!
Sir, thank you. Sublasan mo na.
Wow! Hi, Daddy! Hello, we're here now! Pakit na kami guys dun sa 4th floor na, Daddy.
Ilang oras ng biyahe?
Wow! Galing mo tumingin sa camera, ha? Oh, what's that? Lights!
Stars.
Over here na. At the fourth floor. Wow! Let's go! Let's go! 26B. Ayun! Say hi! Say hi to our vlog! Look! Collins, look! Hi! Oh! Kikitaan namin nga. Oh! Where are we? Where are we? Oh! This is not our room. This is not your room. Oh, sige. Ilan mo ba? Oh. Tinitignan niya lahat ng sulok-sulok, guys. Oh, naninibago siguro. Saan to, Mami? Where is this, Mami? This is not our room. This is not our room. Ah, say hi. Hi! Ang galing-galing niya talaga, guys. Natulog siya from T-Plex hanggang dito, mismo pagdating namin. Nung nandun na kami sa reception, nag-stop yung sasakyan. Yun, gumising na din siya. What's this?
Look, oh. There, oh.
Look at here. You're here again? Wow. You're here in Baguio? Wow. Wow. Ah. Whoa! Oh, what's that? Looks like it's marble. Collins, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hello there. Wow! You're here again after how many months? After 5 months. So, ito yung room namin, guys. Pagpasok pa lang, ito yung unang makikita nyo, yung kitchen. Small kitchen. Meron ding ano dito, guys. Ref. And then, dito sa kabila, ito yung CR. Ayan. Ang linis dito, guys. Hi! So, ayan, dito naman sa kabila is yung shower area. Ayan. Shower, and then may mirror dito, and yung lavatory. Dito naman, yung bed, yung higaan ni Collins. So, itong room na to, guys, good for 2 to 3 packs. Pwedeng dalawa dito sa taas. Meron din siyang pullover dito na bed. Wow! So, ito yung bed. May couch pa dito. Wow! Wow ka nang wow. May couch dito and then TV. This is our TV. Ayan. And then dito, sa tabi ng bed, yung balcony. Ayan. Ayan. Kitang-kita lahat dito, guys, yung mga mga buildings. So, dito kami mag-i-stay, guys, for 3 nights. Ngayon is June 4 hanggang June 7. So, things to know, checkout pala, guys, is 11 AM, hindi 12 PM. Pag late checkout din, merong 200 pesos per hour na babayaran. Ayan. Wow.
You want to see outside?
You want to go outside? Tomorrow na lang. It's raining. Saan tayo pupunta bukas? We will go at Mount Camisón. And then, where you want to go? Whoa, where? Where you want to go? Huh? Where you want to go? Tell Daddy. Tell Daddy. Hello, sige.
Let's pretend to be dogs.
Kami lang ni Jesus nandito, guys. Si Daddy, bumaba muna siya. Kinuha yung mga ibang gamit.
Can you point to the cat?
Collins,
Pointing to the cat.
nagtiteeter siya.
Pointing to the cat.
Lumalabas na din kasi, guys, yung ngipin niya eh. Let me see.
Yeah.
Kasi, hindi ko makita. Ah! Check, 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 check. Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Bukas na lang tayo labas balong, ah? Tomorrow na lang, ah.
Babe.
Say hi. Over there. Look over there. Say hi. No. Where's your teacher?
Potter.
Pakainin natin si Collins ng Marie.
No.
Wait lang, Belong.
No.
Bibigyan na lang. Wait. Dinurog mo na. Oh, this one. This one. This one. You hold it. Ay! Ay! Hinati mo naman.
The girl is going up,
Nagkalat na ikaw.
up,
Wow! Yum, yum! Very good.
now she's
Very
going
good.
down.
Oh, there's Daddy na. Daddy.
Outside.
Daddy.
Outside.
Come eat. Marie!
Sleep.
Yum-yum niya Daddy na ano, crackers.
Sleep.
Very good. Very good. Look, look. Zeus. Hey, there's a bird. Look.
Say mom.
Collins, there's a bird. Bird over there. There's a bird. Look. There's a bird.
Mama. Mama. Can you say
Bird. Wait, 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 wait. Look over there. Zeus, look over there. There's a bird. There's a bird. Over there. Look at the camera. There's the bird. Over there. Bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Ayan guys, nagluluto na si Dada ng tinola. Ito yung dinner namin ngayon. Lumabas siya kanina para maghanap ng sayote or papaya kasi wala kaming nakita. Kaya, ganyan na lang. Pure na lang. Tinola. And then, yung egg ni Mami. Inaayos na ni Dada guys yung higaan namin ni Zeus kasi hindi kami pwede dito sa taas, baka mahulog siya. Ayan, buti na lang may pullover bed to. Ayan. Dito si Zeus. Doon si Mami. Para iwas hulog. Ang ganda dito guys. Sobrang linis pa nitong nakuha namin condo unit. Bango. Ito yung bed namin guys. Tapos ito mismo yung balcony. Tabi lang. Diba? Ang ganda. Wow. Kain guys. Mag-kain na ako. Every dinner guys, magluluto na lang kami ni Daddy kasi hindi kami pwedeng magabihan. Hindi naman kasi tulad dati na wala pa kami kasama baby. Ngayon meron na si Zeus. So, every time na uuwi kami, bibili na lang kami ng pwedeng iluto para dito na kami mag-dinner. And then, pag dating sa labas, lunch, merienda. Ano?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor
Tinola, nung walang patayo or sayote. Lumabas naman si Dada kanina, guys. Kaso nga lang, wala siyang nakitang bilihan dyan sa baba. Kaya sabi ko, mag-clear na lang. Babawi na lang kami
One
bukas.
fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. I'll be here right now. 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Little monkeys.
Kain, guys.
One fell off.
Meron din ako ditong 3 eggs.
Mama called the doctor.
Kain mo, no? You want rice? Mommy will give you. Yeah. Ano mo talaga yung kabel na ko dati? Umiiyak na guys. Gusto manood. Noon na ako dati.
Monkey! Ay, asin yung book.
Yan, nakabihis na si Balong namin. Ready na po siya matulog. Here. Ready na matulog si Zeus. Say hi. Hi. Hi po. Ooh. No. Wow. Wow. Play muna po ako bago mag-sleep. Oh, yes. Kinuha na yung camera. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Wow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not?
Ready or not? Yay! Yay!
8, 9, 10.
Wow.
You're not. Here we
Zeus, look. Wow. Hugas na naman si Daddy ng bottles ni Zeus. Violet.
Red.
Say bye-bye. 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 Look.